We need to add onions. We need to fry it well. We have to cook the rice by 3/4. First we need to add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. After that garam masala powder. After that ginger jeera powder. I used చికెన్ అక్కడ మనము ఈ బౌల్లో వేసేసినాము. మనం దీన్ని బాగా మిక్స్ చేసినాక we made it marinate and until it gets brownish color we need to mix it. After that you cooked the chicken. You need to add 6 chilies. After that you need to add 3/4 rice. After that you pour the total rice. You need to close the container. You need to add some gravy also. You need to put it upside the penna. Sorry, it's penna. You close the entire container.
Press it.
After that you need to press it
And keep it in wait.
and keep it in wait.